Okay, let's do a couple more where we solve the linear inequalities. We have negative 3x is less than 21. We want to get that x by itself. Okay, so if they multiply by negative 3, we are going to divide both sides by negative 3. So here we're going to get x. 21 divided by negative 3 is negative 7. Okay, now remember that rule when you divide by a negative. Okay, it flips the sign. So it's not going to be less than anymore. It's going to make it greater than. We flip the sign when we multiply or divide by a negative. Okay, so instead of x is less than negative 7, we have x is greater than negative 7. Because it doesn't have an equal to, we have an open dot here. Okay, and then we follow the arrow, we shade to the right. So every number that is shaded in makes this statement true. Let's try another one. The difference on example 4 is we have x's on both sides of the equation. Now, I typically tell my students for this section, do letters left, numbers right. If you do letters left, numbers right, then you're always going to be able to follow the arrow when you graph it, and that makes life easier. So the first thing I would do is take this 8x and move it to the left. Okay, that means you're subtracting 8x from both sides. So 6x minus 8x is negative 2x. We bring down the negative 12. We bring down the greater than. These canceled, and that's what we wanted. So we bring down our 2. Now I want to do numbers to the right. It's a negative 12. So I'm going to have to add 12 to both sides. Okay, so I add 12 to both sides. These cancel. And 2 plus 12 is 14. So now I have negative 2x is greater than 14. Next step, I'm going to divide by negative 2. Because I'm dividing by a negative, I have to flip that sign. So we're going from greater than to less than. Okay, so I get x is less than 14 divided by negative 2 is negative 7. Now I'm ready to graph it. Open dot because I do not have an equal to, and I follow the arrow. I shade to the left. That means everything that's shaded makes this original equation true. The 7 is not shaded in, so it won't work, but everything less than negative 7 will. Okay?